What's this? A.
Apple.
Apple.
What? Small A.
Small A.
Small N.
Small ants.
B.
B.
Small B.
Small B. Alis mo yan. Ito lang. Hindi ko makita.
Small B.
No, this one.
Boy.
Bird.
Book.
Book. Next.
Uy, mama. Mama lang.
Opo. Oh, this one.
Ha? Cat.
Cat. Letter.
Ha?
Letter. Letter.
Ha?
Hindi ka naman nakatingin. Mamaya na mag-play. What letter is this?
Ha?
What letter?
What?
What letter is this?
What? C.
C.
Small C. Small C.
Small C. Then,
Car.
car. Next.
D.
D.
Dogger.
Dogger. This one.
Small T.
Small D.
Tapos na finish. Wait lang.
Opo. Pag na-finish na, mag-play ka na. What's this?
Duck.
Duck. Next. Oh, next na. Letter. Mama lang. Letter.
E.
E.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Small E.
Small E.
Eagle.
Eagle. Very good. Yes. Next. This one na.
Boy.
Bird.
Cat.
Cat.
Apple.
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 Dogger.
Car.
Car.
Ant.
Ant. Very good. Next. Oh. Letter.
Ano yan, T?
Ha?
Ano yan, T? Ano ito, T?
What?
T. Ano ito, T? Ano ito?
Okay. Letter.
T.
D.
Small T.
Small D. Very good. Next. Letter.
F.
F.
Matapang T.
Okay. What's this?
Tapos ini.
Opo. Opo. What's this first?
Quack.
Frog. Next.
Ow. Ow.
F.
Fish.
Fish. Next.
T.
G.
Zebra. Zebra. Zebra.
No.
Zebra.
That is not zebra. That is giraffe.
Zebra.
Giraffe.
Zebra.
Giraffe.
Zebra.
Giraffe yan. Mamaya yung zebra. Letter Z yun eh.
Zebra.
Next.
Zebra. Small G.
Small G. Opo, mamaya sulat. This one first.
Mama, sulat ako.
Opo, later. This one muna.
Sulat ako.
Opo, this one muna.
Sulat ako.
Mamaya nga.
Grapes.
Grapes. Next. Pag finish na to, magsulat ka na, ha?
Uy.
Opo. Letter
H.
H. Picture.
Ha?
What's this?
House.
House. This one. This?
Hat.
Hat. Next. Next na.
Ha. Tanda.
What's this?
Hey. Hey. Ay.
What is
Ice cream.
ice cream?
Ay.
Small
Kasi
eye.
ka na ay.
Iron.
Iron.
Yes. Next. Letter J.
Jacket.
Jacket.
Small J.
Small J.
Jump.
Jump. Very good. Picture.
Ha?
What's this?
Ha? Ini. What this?
Eagle.
Eagle. Eagle.
Eagle.
Jump.
Jump.
Hat.
Hat.
Fish.
Fish.
Dirt.
Grapes.
Apple.
Ice cream. Very good. Next. Letter
K.
K. Koala.
Koala. K.
Small K.
Ay. D.
Key. Very good.
Lion.
What letter?
L.
L.
Lion.
Lion.
Lion. Aliko.
What letter is this? What happened?
Kakit lang kam.
Sus, daming commercial na naman. Kagat langgam?
Opo.
Letters this?
Small L.
Small L.
Small L.
Oh, what's this?
Ah.
What's this? Is lemon.
Lemon.
Next. Oh. What letter is this?
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey. Letter?
Ah.
Letter?
C. M. Whoa,
M.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, what's this?
Whoa.
Small M.
Moon.
Moon. Next.
M.
Big N.
Idong.
Ilong? Anong English ng ilong?
No.
Nose. Very good. Next.
N.
Small N.
Small N.
This one?
Ah.
What's this? Bird. Yung house ng bird ay? Nest.
Yes.
Yes, nest. What's this first? Ito muna.
Fish.
Ito muna. Mamaya na yan. Ito muna.
Lang.
Mamaya na yan. Ito muna.
Lang is good apple.
Opo, this one muna. Oh, what's this? What's this? EUHWEN.
Octopus.
Octopus. Letter
O.
O.
Ah.
What's this?
Orange.
Orange. Letter
Ah. Small. Small O.
small O. Very good. Next.
Eggplant. Inky.
Koala.
Koala. Key.
Key.
Fish.
Fish.
Frog.
Frog.
Ahas.
Anong English ng ahas?
Snake.
Snake.
Sapon.
Sabon. Anong English ng sabon?
Ah.
Anong English ng sabon? Soap.
So.
Next.
What?
What's this?
Mama.
Mama. Yung nasa ulo ni mama, ano yan?
Monkey.
McQueen. Very good. Ito. Quail.
Wala yan.
Wala yan? Oh, dito yan. Oh, what's this?
Wala yan.
Opo, what's this?
Manta.
Panda. Letter
P.
P. Ito. Ang daming commercial. Ah, ito. Ano to?
Sakit.
Opo, ano to?
Ako
Malapit na tayo finish. Opo.
ha.
Malapit na tayo finish. Oh, what's this? Pen. Letter. Letter. What letter?
Tingin. Small P.
Small P. This one.
Mama.
Mama. Yung nasa ulo ni mama.
Monkey.
Oh, Queen. Very good. Letter. What letter is this?
Q.
Q. This one.
Wala yan. Wala yan.
Anong wala? Quail yan.
Hindi. Wala yan.
Oh, sige. Next na. Oh, what's this?
Masiwa yan.
Opo.
Ano masiwa yan?
Opo, hindi nasira. Oh, what's this?
I.
R. What's that?
Ha?
What's that?
Ha?
Anong pang...
Flower.
Flower. Ang pangalan ng flower ay
Ha?
Rose.
Wow.
Oh, next. This one. What's this? What's this?
Robert.
Rabbit. Letter?
I.
Small R. Ayos. This one.
Snake.
Snake. Letter? S.
Sabon.
Anong English ng sabon? Soap.
Soap.
Ah, letter? Small?
Ano?
Masira yan. Small? Small.
Small S.
Small S. Very good. Oh, next na tayo.
Next na.
Opo. What's that? Alisin mo yung kamay mo. Alisin mo kamay mo ba? Oh, masira nga kasi. Oh, yan. Oh, what's this? Dali.
Tiger yan. Kakatumin tiger.
Tiger, kagat-EUHWEN. Anong letter yung tiger?
Ha?
Anong letter?
Ha?
Letter?
Orange.
Letter. Anong letter yung tiger?
Green. Ha?
Letter.
T.
T. Next.
Ha?
What's this?
Tree.
3. Letter.
Ha? Small T.
Small T. Next.
Apple.
Apple.
Car.
Car.
Wow.
Book.
Wow.
Wolf.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Tiger.
Dagger.
Boat.
Boat. Pero, ang pangalan ng boat ay yacht.
Cat. Orange.
Orange. Very good. Next.
Ay na, finish na tayo.
Opo, malapit na tayo finish.
Kuya.
Kuya, anong ginagawa ni Kuya?
Up.
Up. Very good.
Upstairs.
Yes. Upstairs si Kuya.
Opo.
Opo. And this one.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Letter? Ha? What letter?
What are doing?
What letter ba? U. Next.
Ah,
Oh, malapit na tayo finish. Next.
next.
Vest.
Best. Flower.
Flower. Yung lagayan ng flower, anong tawag dito? Vase.
Base.
Letter? What letter?
B.
V. Very good. Ah. Next. Oh, malapit na tayo finish.
Finish na tayo.
Opo, malapit na. What's this?
12.
Wolf.
Window.
Window. Letter?
Tapayo.
W.
Telephone.
Xylophone. X-ray.
Instrument.
Letter?
X.
X. Very good.
Ayun na, finish na tayo.
Opo.
Yay! Yak!
Opo. This one first.
Yak! Boat.
Boat. Pero, yacht yan.
Yak! Yak!
Yak. Letter?
Small. Y.
Y. Very good. Ito?
Zebra.
Zebra. Zipper.
Zipper.
Letter?
C.
Very good. Letter Z. Oh. Last one.
Sabon.
Anong English ng sabon?
Ha?
Anong English ng sabon? Soup.
So. Ayun na, finish na tayo. Hehe!
Opo. This one muna.
Fish.
Fish.
Boy.
Bird.
Mamya.
Mama, yung sa ulo?
McQueen.
McQueen.
Tree.
Tree.
Key.
Key.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Flower.
Flower.
Jump.
Jump. Very
Finish na.
good. Opo, this one muna.
Finish na.
Opo, this one last.
O.
O. This one.
A.
A.
B.
B.
H.
H.
C.
C.
D.
D.
L.
L.
F.
F.
E.
E.
K.
K. Color.
One dot. Red.
Red. Next.
Orange.
Orange.
Yellow.
Yellow. Next.
Green.
Green.
Blue.
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 Pink.
Pink. Very
Finish na?
good. Finish na. Yes. One more.
Okay.
Where's the other one? This one?
Yes.
Okay.